Hello viewer, in this video I am telling about the 6th upgrade of the iPhone 16 Pro models. While the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro are still around 11 months away from the launching, there are already several rumors about these devices. We have recapped a new feature and changes expected for the devices so far. There are some of the key changes rumored for the iPhone 16 Pro models. Number 1. The larger display. The iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro will be equipped with the larger 6.3-inch and 6.9-inch display, respectively, according to the Ross Young, CEO of the display supply chain consultant. The devices are expected to have tailored aspect ratio as part of these changes. By comparison, the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max have 6.1-inch and 6.7-inch display, respectively. Number 2. Capture button. Apple plans to include the new capture button on all iPhone 16 models, according to the pre-production information obtained by Mac rumors. The button would be located below the power button, but its purpose is unknown. It has speculated that it could be a dedicated shooter button for the camera. Number 3. 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens. The iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max will feature an upgraded 58-megapixel ultra-wide camera lens for the high-resolution photo with more detail when shooting in 0.5x mode, according to Jeff Po, the tech analyst at Hong Kong investment firm Hating International Security. Number 4. Wi-Fi 7 support. The iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro Max will also support Wi-Fi 7. According to the Po, this would be enable the devices to send and receive data over the 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, and 6 GHz band, simultaneously resulting in the faster Wi-Fi speed, lower latency, and more reliable connectivity. Wi-Fi 7 is expected to offer a peak data transfer speed of the 40 gigabytes, a 4x increase over Wi-Fi 6E. Number 5. A18 Pro Chip. Apple next generation A18 Pro Chip is expected to be manufactured with the TSMC's second generation 3nm processor, known as a N3E. Number 6. 5G Advanced. iPhone 16 Pro model will equip a Qualcomm Snapdragon X75 modem for faster and power-efficient 5G connectivity. According to Po, the modem support the 5G Advanced standard with has been described as the next generation of 5G and an evolution toward 6G. Number 7. 5x optical zoom Pro models. The iPhone 15 Pro Max tetrasperism lens system with the 5x optical zoom will expand to the both and the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max, according to the supply chain analyst Ming Ching Kow. Apple is expected to announce the iPhone 16 Pro model in September 2024. Additional detail about the devices should surface over the coming months, so be sure to keep and tap on the iPhone 16 round up for the latest information. Thanks for watching a video. Don't forget subscribe our channel, like and share the video. If watching more video about smartphone and tablets, so please check the description. Or any question about smartphone and tablets, so please leave the comment and I will try to reply.